open vscode homepage. You can create by clicking this open file, open folder, or you can click file and same option, new file, new folder, open folder, and select your folder location. Just I select my desktop, then new folder and set your folder name. Like example, I set my practice project. Then select and select folder. Yeah, I successfully open my folder. Now you can create new file. Shortcut, if this Explorer folder will hide, you can shortcut press Ctrl Shift E, meaning your Explorer folder is open. Here the my folder name, my practice project, and you can create by this icon, create new folder, or and this new file icon, we can create new file. So now I create a new file. Like click this new file icon and type your file name like index.html. Enter. Here is my new HTML file. Here my demo file. Hello world. Okay. Similar, you can click this folder icon and you can type the folder name, CSS folder, and you go this folder and you can make your CSS folder. CSS. Here is your all CSS file. So that's it. If you have any question, please let me know in comments.